Alright, chat. We did just arrive to Cars and Coffee. It is definitely. What is that? This shit bright as hell right now too.
Oh, daddy car.
What is that?
It's my dad.
That is not your dad.
It's not your
Holy stock car of doom. Damn.
That's definitely the Lambo. That's gonna be loud. Damn.
CL1? God damn. Where are all these cars when we're just like walking around like... God damn. One interesting M3.
Titanium? E-Moto Tints!
E-Moto Tints.
Ah! Holy shit, you're hot. I know, bro. I'm sweating. I've been out here all day.
Well, it's got like
Carbon buckets.
CS accents. That had to get changed.
Carbon wheel?
Damn, and it's a...
And performance in
Wait, what the flip?
Yo, Spark.
How is it how's it facelift and it has a screen? Oh my days.
Yo.
Son. Oh my days,
I don't
bro.
touch the car.
I didn't, son.
Holy mid-ass rims. What are those?
What? You're smoking. These are tough.
Carbon buckets on it? Manual too?
Oh yeah.
God.
He's the one. Firstly, look how fat those tires are.
Look at the tires.
Oh my days.
Damn.
Oh nah, this shit's tough.
Carbon cage?
What? It's automatic?
Shifter. That is that.
Automatic's crazy.
Holy. LT4?
I don't even know what that means,
That's
man.
the Camaro engine. The Z01. That's the
What?
Z01 engine. I swear to God.
In this.
And
This car weighs like nothing, bro. Oh, and it's for sale. How much do you guys think this costs? This costs like 8 grand? Nah, 120. 1967
What?
Camaro SS. And it's a hardtop too. You know what we say to that, Tim? Guys, look how aura this looks, bro. Oh my days. Oh, I thought that car was moving. God damn. Anna Durango. Everyone's leaving, but god damn, bro. F80 M3 and J7 M2. Bro. Oh my days. God damn. That bitch chopping. Damn, chat. Absolute beautiful M4 here. Obviously track focused, drag focused, I'm gonna say, because we've got bead locks on the back. We've got weight reduction again, no badge. Holy. Interior's not gutted yet. I assume it probably will be eventually. And then this is what the engine bay looks like. Carbon struts. Carbon everything basically. Titanium bolts once again. Oh my days, bro. S58, I don't know how, bro. This is probably pushing like 1,000 brake. And it's LCI too. Oh my days. Okay, guys. So the friend of the owner confirmed that it is pushing 1100 brake. 1100 brake. I'm pretty sure it's stock block because that's what it looked like, but there is. You can see there's a tons of upgrades in there. Oh my days. I can't believe it's LCI, bro. Like, seriously. God damn. Valves closed, of course. Yeah, this is a very nice, very nice M4. And then we got the STO. Senna. Mint green Senna. Oh my days. Mint green is insane, bro. I was on a go-kart. Yo, insane. Yeah, bro. M4 on some interesting wheels right here. Guys, there's an M2 over there. I've tried to shoot with that guy like 1,000 times, bro. Oh my days. What the flip? Yo, this Cars and Coffee is way better than the last one. Oh my days. Alpine white interior. No way, bro's fishing. Bro did a fishing trip and then came here. He's got fishing poles in the back. Arizona whip. Guys, I keep on needing to switch from, oh damn. Keep on needing to switch from picture and video mode so I can finish the vlog. Arizona New Z. Kind of insane. S15. Right hand drive. Right hand drive. God damn. God damn, dog. Yeah, bro. That's insane. Right hand drive S15, yo. Bro, chat. Porsches are so photogenic, bro. Like, this is just so pleasing to look at, bro. And it helps that it's the RS, but god damn. My days, I didn't even have enough time to change, bro. Holy smokes. God damn. This is a clean ass M2. And it's on beatlocks. How much brake y'all think this is pushing, bro? It's gonna be pushing at least, I give it at least 850. Minimum 850. LC500 right here, chat. I didn't even, bro, these wheels are tough. Yo, Lexus did that thing. Lexus definitely did that thing with these, bro. And you rarely see LC500s built. Like, you'll just see like a bunch of old people just driving them because they got like sold up. Yeah, you guys can't even see, but holy clean. Chat, holy flipping trucks, bro. How is this even road legal, bro? Oh my days, this is where my head is right now compared to the truck. The wheel is half my size, bro. Half my size. Oh my days. Yo, holy yo. Bro. Even the hitch is half my size, bro. What the flip? Yo. There's no way this is street legal, bro. Nah, he's the illest. Nah, he's tough.
Ici, il n'y a pas de réglementation sur les voitures.
That's the M2 I've been trying to shoot for like 10 years. No way? Damn. Z06. Alright guys, this is straight off the Cars and Coffee, by the way. We have Tim laying on the couch, actually, in the back of the whip. Oh, copyright. Oh. Let's make some granola. Sprouts, honey. John was hiding, bro.
Swapping out our shoes and now we swapping cars. Driving out of the day, I'm probably gonna drive go to bar. Baby, get over there, more than 20 girls and 40 hoes, we got a private car.
Guys, look at this copycat right here. Il y a du sucre? No.
English translation, we don't speak.
Is there sugar?
Is there sugar? There is.
Yo! Alright guys, where is the random?
Prices are based on rating plans and very
Whoa! Taste test. Taste test of this day, right now. Look, I think we are a bit close. Ow! No, I think we are good.
No, we want to taste it with you.
No, I think we're okay.
Yep, mix it up. Like you.
What?
Oh.
Not cold.
Oh, your camera's cutting off.
It's cold. Like Cook Palmer.
Boy! Right now, me and Tim gonna head to the Ritz. Gonna chill by the pool. I've also finally ordered some parallettes from, we won't speak about that brand, but yeah, from there. Well, if you know it, you know it, but I'm just not gonna promote the brand because, yeah. Finally though. Yeah, bro, I told them to send the 20K, bro. Yes.
She look like a business call.
Nah, this is a business call. I'm just on the phone with my business partner right now. Yeah. Alright, chat, we did indeed make it. I'm trying to think. Bro, I don't even know what the thumbnail's gonna be. But chilling. I'm gonna do my trade recap right now. And I never even usually put my hair like this. Yeah, this is chill for real. Ooh, don't watch the toes though. Alright guys, literally finished up. It's like what? It's like 6. So we're gonna head back right now. And I'm literally gonna come back and eat at Jack Dusty in like literally 1 hour. So yeah. If this is the end of the vlog, low-key it might be. I'm gonna catch you guys next week. We do all the YouTube stuff. And yeah. And if this is not, then it's gonna cut to another clip. So yeah. Do all the YouTube stuff and I'll be back next week. Sorry for the 2-week pause, but we're back.